Hi there, students. To embody. Embodiment, the noun. Okay, to embody means to represent a quality or an idea exactly. She is the embodiment of our honesty. She embodies good sportsmanship. Okay, so to embody, to represent an idea, or to include as part of something. The law embodies elements of civil law and commercial law and criminal law and constitutional law. Okay, it includes these different things. Okay, so to embody, to have and show particular qualities, to represent. So the embodiment, literally to give a bodily form to make incarnate. I think originally you could embody a spirit. So you invoke a spirit and then you embody it. You actually give it a body. To represent an idea or a value in bodily or material form. He embodies the old-fashioned style. This car is the embodiment of the new generation of cars. Okay, so to give a tangible, concrete body to an abstract concept. His artistic work embodies the zeitgeist. It embodies the spirit of the age. Okay, so to embody. All his poems were embodied in one work. So here we've got embody, meaning to collect together, to unite into a comprehensive whole. Yeah, the full Oxford English Dictionary embodies the whole English language. His gentleness and kindness embodies the Muslim ideal. Okay, so to embody, to personify, to represent, to express. So yes, JFK embodied the hopes of the 1960s. To incorporate, to include, to contain. So this proposal has been embodied in a resolution. It's been included in this resolution. Yeah, I hope to embody this video into my channel. Yeah, to bring it together. This video embodies this channel embodies various different aspects of the English language. I'm clearly not the embodiment of an English gentleman. Yeah, the embodiment of an English gentleman is a bowler hat, an umbrella, a suit, and going to work on the train, reading the Times. Yeah, and that's the idea. So to personify, to make tangible a spirit or an idea, or to include. Okay, so this is the idea of embody. How formal is this word, to embody? I think I would give it a 6, maybe a 6.5. You could just about use it in an informal conversation. But maybe personifies, makes real, is an example of, includes, incorporates, something like that. To embody is a regular verb, so the book embodied all of his lifetime's work, and yeah, he has embodied the concept of honesty, so he's a perfect representation of it. So the origin as well, embody, I guess to put in, yeah, to make part of, and then body comes from, well, bodig, Old English, or Proto-West Germanic bodag, a body or a trunk, yeah, the trunk of your body, which itself comes from Proto-Indo-European bude, to be awake or to observe. So maybe it's changed a bit over the long term. Okay, so embody. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To embody, the embodiment of.